you ever thought about what some of the world's most famous people used to look like 5-10 years ago? Our scientists have finally developed a way of going into the past and discovering what some of their lives looked like. We were speaking to Kiri Roman, one of the renowned directors of Roman Holias, a well-known company with ships, airplanes. They even deliver to the moon. This company was started by a young, humble man, and we're going to use these new devices to take us almost 10 years back when he was in high school. As you can see, I'm already in uniform, which is the disguise we shall go in with, for we are similar to people he may remember. Let us go in through the door. Come with me. The year around 2011. He was in year 12, let's see. We shall ask him. Walk with me into the past. Here we are. Almost 10 years back. And it looks like we're just in our own time. There he is, a young man. We shall not tell him about his future, because he's not supposed to know of what shall happen. Sawa Kiri.
Mazee ni aje? Karibu mabuyu jo. Jo zinawasha mazee.
Life ni kuhustle.
Mimi nakula mabuyu hapa ni Facebook na chikidem hapa hivi ananishow. Madema nitusijisha mtoto.
Look at the type of phone he had.
Yeah, but chick makes me eat 10 mabuyus per drop.
This man cannot hear us right now, because the special communication devices me and my cameraman have only allow me to speak to you while he cannot hear us. But all it takes is this. Kiri. Sa kitu 10 years hapa, unajua utakuwa wapi?
Manze 10 years, first of all acha nikushow. Mimi naenda kuanza business. Business ya transporting. So unajua venye mimi manze nimependa matrailer kutoka nizaliwe bana manze nikiwa 4 years nimecheki trailer imepaki nje gate yetu bana nimecheki trailer. I just fell in love with the truck. I wanted to hug that truck. I wanted to kiss that truck, man. I just want to have some metallic thing on it, okay?
To prove to you something, I shall ask him a simple question that will shock
So
you.
this truck was parked at the just beside my gate.
Tulia,
I told my mom, you know what, mom? I need this truck. She told me, son, I don't have a lot of money. I told her, mom, please, why are you doing this to me, mom? Why? I cried, okay? So after that, I got a new, what do you call it? I grew up. Now I'm 15 years. Oh, now I was 15 years. I met this guy from, I think it's Irish Holies. This guy told me, you know what, man? Your dream can come true. All you have to do is just finish your school first. Then after that, you can do it. Then I told him, you know what?
Wait.
Don't bullshit me. I can't finish my school first. I need to start this thing at the age of 19. 9 what? 19. 19 is written like this. You first put a stick and a number 9 on it. You get me? Okay, so 19. That's when I want to start the truck. It's my dream and it's gonna come true in the next 2 years. What was your question, mister?
To prove to you that this is actually true, listen to this. What will you call your company?
My company will be Roman Holias under Kill Roman Transportation Department. It's a department in the Kill Roman group of companies. We have Kill Roman Engineering Department, Kill Roman General Arts Department, and then we have Kill Roman Transportation Department. Under Kill Roman Transportation Department, we have Roman Holias, then Roman Coaches, then Roman Freighters, then Roman Cabs, then Roman Air, then Roman Sealand. We have a lot of stuff, man. We have a lot of stuff. I'm telling you, man.
This is 10 years ago. And in your newspaper, these things are hitting. Everything he named is there. So watch your dreams, for they may come true. Thank you very much, Kiri.
You're welcome, sir.
See you in the future.
See you in the future. And by the way, you can all just, after this, let's just have a free ride in the G5 plane parked outside, okay?
And that was a dream. Now, it's true. That was our report. Next time, we come to you with many other businessmen. Keep it on Apple TV.